In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see links in Obsidian. First, open any note within Obsidian. This is your starting point for exploring the connections between your notes. When you open a note, you will see the content you have written. This could be a simple text note, a detailed project outline, or even a journal entry. The layout is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. Selecting a note is crucial because it allows you to focus on that specific piece of information. By doing this, you set the stage for uncovering how it relates to other notes in your vault. Once you have your note open, look to the top right corner for the expand or panel icon. This icon is often represented by two small rectangles stacked or a similar symbol. Clicking on this icon will reveal the right sidebar of Obsidian. This sidebar is essential for visualizing the interconnectedness of your notes. It will show you important sections that help you understand how your thoughts and ideas link together. So, take a moment to locate that icon and click on it. This action opens up a world of connections and helps you to better organize your thoughts. In the right sidebar, you will see various sections, including backlinks and outgoing links. These sections are vital for understanding how your notes interact with each other. The backlinks section displays notes that link to the currently open note. This means you can quickly see which other notes reference the information you are currently viewing. It's a powerful feature because it helps you track the flow of your ideas. You can think of this as a network of knowledge that surrounds your note. It allows for greater insight and understanding of your subjects. Next, let's explore the outgoing links section. Click on outgoing links to see the notes that this particular note links to. This section is just as important as the backlinks section. It shows you the pathway your thoughts take as you connect different ideas. Understanding outgoing links allows you to see where your notes lead, helping to create a more comprehensive picture of your knowledge. This feature is particularly useful for identifying relationships between concepts that you may not have seen before. By following these steps, you can easily navigate through the links in Obsidian. This not only enhances your note-taking experience, but also improves your overall organization and understanding of complex topics. Knowing how to see links makes your note system more dynamic and interconnected. It transforms simple notes into a rich tapestry of information. You will find that this method saves you time later, as you can quickly reference related notes without having to search endlessly. In conclusion, understanding how to see links in Obsidian can significantly enhance your productivity and insight. By opening a note, expanding the panel, and exploring both backlinks and outgoing links, you create a more interconnected knowledge base. This process not only makes your notes more useful, but also increases your ability to recall and synthesize information effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as valuable as I do.